Namaskaram. One of the most neglected parts of an individual's overall health is his or her oral hygiene, which is of as much significance as any other part of the human body, as one's dental health can have a huge impact on a person's overall well-being. Therefore, it is of utmost importance that we take as much care of our oral health as we do with any other part or organs of our body. The science of Ayurveda recommends some natural ways of maintaining as well as enhancing our dental health. Let's have a look at a few of them. First, brushing twice daily. Brushing our teeth thoroughly twice a day, every day, once in the morning and once at night, after dinner will go a long way in maintaining our pearly whites. Next, rinsing. Rinsing our mouth thoroughly after every meal ensures that there is no build-up of food particles that can lead to dental problems like cavities and plaque. Next is massaging. Gently massaging the teeth and the gums with sesame oil regularly will help keep the teeth's enamel and the gums tight and strong. Avoid extreme cold. As far as possible, avoiding biting into ice or drinking chilled water will help reduce the teeth sensitivity. Next is avoid consuming excessive salt. Avoid consumption of excessively salty and sour foods. The next is our favorite, neem bark. Gently chewing on neem bark can help strengthen teeth as well as tighten the gums. You can also use a natural powder, that is, you can grind a mixture of 120 grams of neem bark and supari along with 6 grams dalchini, which is cinnamon, 6 grams peppercorns, 3 grams desi camphor and 12 grams rock salt or crystal salt into a powdered form and store it. This powder can be used for brushing your teeth and getting rid of any pain and cavities. Hope this has been helpful. We'll see you soon. Pranam.